Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, today we are going to make a video for the students of 5th standard. Students, today we are going to study Environmental Studies Part 1 of Standard 5th. Okay? In this subject, we are going to study the 19th chapter, that is Constituents of Food. Okay students, before moving forward, I would like to say thanks to my subscribers, students and those who have liked it, shared it, commented below the video and subscribed my channel. Thank you students and be connect with me. Students, now before moving forward, I would like to ask a simple question to you. Okay students? Yes. Students, if you want to lift your bag or school bag, what do we require? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, if you want to answer, type your answer in the comment box. Okay students? Yes, let me show you. If I want to lift or if I want to pick up a bag, for example. See student, I have picked up the bag. What do I require for it? Yes, I require energy. What do you require? Yes, your answers are correct. Energy. We do require energy. If you want to push your bicycle or if you want to pick up your chair, what do we require? We require energy. Yes. From where do we get such kind of energy? Yes, student, can you tell me? If you want to answer, type your answer in the comment box. From where do we get such kind of energy? Yes, very good. Your answers are correct. Yes, we do get energy from food. Okay, a variety of food we do use habitually. Okay, and because of eating food, we do get energy to do a lot of work. We study, we play, we do work. Okay, and all these works are require energy, and this energy we do get from food. We get energy from food. Okay student, the food items that we eat habitually daily, that is known as diet. Okay, yes student, what is diet? The food items that we eat habitually regularly, that is known as diet. Okay student, now student, one more question. Can you tell me the different tastes of food? If you want to answer, again type your answer in the comment box. What kind of taste does the food item have? Yes student, the food items have different or variety of tastes. For example, bitter, sweet, salty, sour. Yes student, such kind of taste it has. Okay students, have you understood now? Very good. So we require food items to get, or we require to eat food for the purpose of what? Getting energy, so that we can study, so that we can learn, so that we can play. Okay students? Yes student. And for the purpose of getting energy, we do use different kinds of food items or food stuffs. Okay student, and all these food stuffs have some constituents. Okay, and that constituents are very important to get energy. Okay students, already we have studied some of the constituents, and some of the new constituents of the foods we are going to study right now. Okay students, so without wasting time, let's get started with the constituents of the food stuffs that are very important to get energy. Students, one of the most important constituents of the food stuff is carbohydrates. Yes student, before understanding more about carbohydrates, let's do an activity. Okay students? Yeah, you can also do this activity, but under the supervision or with the help of your mother or father or parents. Okay students, then only you can do this at your home. Now, what do we require for this activity? Let me tell you first. Students, we will be requiring a potato. See, this is potato, a knife, a kitchen knife, okay, and then iodine. Okay student, this is tincture of iodine. Tincture means what, students? It is a solution of iodine. You can get it or you can buy it from a medical. Okay, student, very easily you can get it. Yes, and one, what is this? Yeah, dropper. Okay, student. So dropper, iodine, a knife, and a potato. Okay, students, have you understood? Students, first of all, let me show you the color of iodine. Okay, yes, let's see. Yes, student, what is the color of iodine? See, yeah, it is dark brown color. Okay, dark brown color. Okay, students, yes, see, you can see dark brown color. Okay, so mind it, the color of iodine is dark brown color. Okay, now let's do the next or further activity. Students, this is potato. I will cut the potato into two parts. Okay, if you are doing this activity, take help of your mother or any elder at your home, because you are using knife here. Knife can hurt you, so use it properly. Okay, so I have cut it into two parts. Okay, can you see the color now? Okay, yes. Now what I am going to do is that I will drop a solution, a drop of solution of the iodine on this potato. Yes, let's see what changes do we find in the color of iodine. See, student, I have taken what? Iodine. Now I will drop it on the potato. Yes, students, the color of iodine is dark brown. The color of iodine is dark brown. I have dropped some drops on the potato. Now see, the color of potato has changed. Now it is become blackish. Yes, can you see? Blackish. The color has changed. The brown dark color changed into blackish one. Okay, student, can you see it clearly? Yes, and this is brown one. See, brown and blackish. So it is changed. What does it show, student? Yes, what does it show? From here, what do we can conclude? That this potato has starch. What does it has? It has starch. And because of being starch in the potato, the color of iodine, that is dark brown, changed into black. Okay, student? Yes. Have you understood now? It shows that potato has starch. Students, sago and sweet potato also contains starch. Yes, student. What is sago? It is small white grains that is obtained from palm tree, the trunk of palm tree. Yes, student. We do use this sago when we have fast. Okay. It is mostly known as shabudana. Okay, student. So shabudana or this sago has starch too. Okay, as well as we do eat sweet potato. Okay, most of the time we do eat it on fast. If you have fast, we do eat sweet potato. Sweet potato also has starch on a large quantity. Students, cereals like jowar, bajra, wheat, rice also contain a lot of starch. Students, what is this? This is wheat. Okay, wheat has starch. See, again, what is this? This is rice. We do eat daily rice. So rice also contains starch in a large quantity. Okay, students, have you understood this much? Very good. Students, we obtain flour from these grains. Okay, wheat, rice, jowar, bajra. Yes, student, and we do eat or we do use the rotis, chapatis made from these flour. Okay, students, and all these contains starch in a large quantity. Okay, students. these grains form our staple diet. Yes, student. What is a staple diet? The main diet that a man or an animal eats regularly. Okay, student. So all these grains that I have shown right now, jowar, bajra, rice, wheat, all these are included in our staple diet. We do eat chapati, roti, sabji and rice daily. So it is our staple diet. Students, when we eat all these foodstuffs, it is digested in our body. And when it is digested in our body, various sugars or kinds of sugars are formed in our body. Sugars are formed and these sugars burn slowly in all parts of our body to give us energy, or it release energy. In other words, we can say that the sugar that formed from the digestion of a starch acts as a fuel for our body. Yes, student, as a vehicle is required fuel to run it, in the same way the sugar is required to create or generate energy in our body. Okay, student. So here the sugars are working as a fuel in our body. Students, can you tell me why do we feel more hungrier in winter than in summer? Yes, student, can you tell me why do we feel more hungrier in winter than we do feel in summer? Yes, in winter, yes student, let me tell you, in winter the environment or the weather is very cold, and due to coldness our body create more energy in itself to keep our body warm. Okay, and to keep our body warm, our body uses the energy in a lot of quantity. Okay, student, because of that our body requires more and more energy. If we require more and more energy to keep our body warm, then it requires food. So this is the reason that we feel more hungrier in winter than we do feel in summer. Okay, student, have you understood this? Very good. Now let's move forward. Students, now can you tell me what substance do we use to give our food sweet taste? Yes, student, if you want to make something sweet, what substance do we use to make it sweet? Okay, students, if you know the answer, type your answer in the comment box. Student, do not forget it. Okay, let me tell you now, what do we add in the foodstuffs so that it can be sweet? Mostly we do use sugar. Yes, student, we do use sugar to make the food stuff sweet. Yes, student, do you like sugar? Yes, I too like sugar. So we do use sugar to make the food stuff sweet. In the same way, sometimes we do use jaggery. See, student, what is it? It is jaggery. Okay, so jaggery also we do use to make our food stuff sweet. Sugar and jaggery can be used to make our food stuff sweet. Okay, student, have you understood? Very good. Now, students, can you tell me of the foods that we eat raw, which ones are sweet? Yes, student, the foodstuffs which we eat raw and that it contains sugar. Yes, student, for example, fruits. We do eat fruits and fruits contain sugar or sweetness. Okay, students, fruits, milk, honey, okay, so etc. All these contains sweet taste. Okay, student, and we do eat it in raw form. Foodstuffs that taste sweet contains different kinds of sugars. For example, we can obtain jaggery and table sugar from sugar cane because it contains sugar called sucrose. Okay, student, so here sucrose is present in sugar cane, and from sugar cane we can obtain jaggery and table sugar. Students, as well as the ripe fruits, for example, mango, banana, chickpeas as also honey and milk. It contains different kinds of sugar and they too give us energy. Yes student, we do get energy from all these fruits and different things which contains sucrose or sugar. Students, now we are going to do one more activity. Okay students, so first of all I would like to tell you the thing which we will be requiring for doing this activity. Students, we will be requiring a sieve. Yes student, we do use in our kitchen. Have you seen this sieve in your kitchen? Yes, we do use it as a strainer. We use it as a strainer. So we require here a sieve, that is a strainer, and we require some flour. It may be flour of jawar or flour of wheat. Okay students, so let's start the activity. Students, observe it carefully. Students, this is a plate and I have kept the strainer in the plate. First of all, let me put some flour in this strainer. Okay student, I am doing as per my convenience. Okay, so see, then I will shift it first. See, what do you see? You see the small particles of plain flour is falling down. Okay students, see, we have sifted down here or we have strained here the flour. Now what is left in the sieve, that we are going to see. What is left here? Some larger particle than this flour is left in the sieve. Okay student, yes, you can see some larger particle of the flour left in the sieve. Okay students, some larger particles of the flour left behind on the sieve. These larger particles of grain are fine pieces of the skin of or bran of the grain. This bran is fibrous. Yes student, it is fibrous. What is the importance of fibrous substances in our digestion? Yes student, do you know? Yes, let me tell you. The fibrous substances are very useful in the digestion. It has very important role in digestion. Hence, fiber has a special function. The fibrous substances help the food to move forward in the alimentary canal. The fibrous substance help to move the food items forward in the alimentary canal. What do you mean by alimentary canal, student? Students, watch this figure so that you can understand what is alimentary canal. It starts from the mouth cavity to the anus cavity. Alimentary canal is the whole passage along which food passes through the body from mouth to anus during digestion. Yes student, observe this figure, you can understand. Students, the undigested food is of no use for the body. Fiber helps to form stool from the undigested food. Fiber is called roughage. Yes student, fiber is called roughage. Students, do you know what are the sources of fiber? Yes, if you know from where or from which food do we get fiber, type your answer in the comment box. Okay student, now let me tell you, fruits and vegetables, especially their skin, whole grains and pulses are the main sources of fiber. Main sources of fiber in food. If our food does not contain fiber in enough quantity, then it can lead to constipation. Yes student, if you are not eating fiber in enough quantity, then you can face the problem of constipation. So students, be conscious and be sure that you are eating fibrous food daily. Okay students, so daily you need to use fruits, vegetables for the purpose of having good digestive system. Okay students, so you will not have constipation and later on you will not have the effects of constipations on your body. So make sure you are eating fibrous food daily. Students, let me tell you in short what is constipation. Okay students, constipation is a condition in which there is difficulty in emptying the bowels, usually associated with hardened feces. Okay students, up to now we have studied the three substances. First, starch, second, sugar, and third one, fiber. These substances are together called carbohydrates. Yes student, starch, sugar and fiber, these together are called carbohydrates. The most important use of carbohydrate is to provide the body the energy. Yes student, the carbohydrates provides energy to our body. Students, when we eat certain types of mangoes, sometimes threads stuck between our teeth. Yes student, which kind of carbohydrates are they? Yes student, you might have experienced most of the time while eating mangoes some thread like substance stuck between the teeth. Okay student, what do we call it as, or which type of carbohydrate are they? Students, let me tell you, that is called roughage. Okay student, and fiber is a roughage. It means this thread like substance is a fiber. Okay student, have you understood? Very good. Students, we have studied till now about carbohydrates. Now we are going to study about fats. Okay student, but before taking more information about fats, first of all we will do an activity. Okay student, so that we can understand more about fats. Okay student, first of all let me tell you the things which are required for this activity. Okay student, for this activity we will be requiring 2 sheets of paper. 2 sheets of paper. Okay students, we have to take 2 sheets of paper. Students, you can do this activity in your home. Then we will be requiring a small quantity of oil. Okay, you can take oil and spoon. Okay students, yes, yeah. And the last thing that we require, that is a printed material. Any printed paper you can take, a book you can take, or anything. Okay student, so 2 white sheets, oil and a printed paper or textbook. Okay student, so let's start with the activity. Students, first of all I will rub a little oil on this paper. Okay students, so let's rub some oil. These students, you have to take care that it should not be spread more or here and there on the clothes. Okay student, I have rubbed a little oil on the paper. Okay, can you see? Very good. Now the next step we are going to do is that here we have 2 pieces of paper. One piece of paper which is rubbed with the oil and the second one without oil. Okay students, what you have to do is that you have to put the paper on the printed material and you have to read it. Okay student, for example, let's see, I am putting the paper on this printed material and I will try to read. See student, but oh my god, I am not able to see anything. Yes student, so how can I read it now? No, I can't read. See student, can you read it? I can't able to see anything, so I can't read it. Okay student, yes, have you understood? Yes. Now the next step we will do. Now student, I will put this paper with the oil on the printed material, then I will try to read it out. Okay, see, I will put this paper on the printed material. Oh my god, I can see and I can read too. Philosophy. There is a place to which I often go, not by planning to but by flow. Yes student, I can see. Yes, you can see also. See, you can try it. Yeah, can you see here? Yes, so we can see. So the oil makes the paper translucent. Yes, student, you can see. Yes, you can see. Okay, through it because of the oil. Because of being translucent, the paper, we could able to see the printed material or printed letters. So, this is the reason we can see the printed material here. Okay, student, have you understood? And because of that, we could able to read. Students, oil is a fatty substance and paper becomes translucent when we applied to it. Yes, student, you can see here it is translucent now. Translucent means semi-transparent. Okay, student, it is not completely transparent but semi-transparent. Okay, student, have you understood? So here, because of the fatty substance, the paper becomes translucent, and because of that we could able to see the printed letters on the paper. Paper becoming translucent is the sign of present fatty substance in the thing that is applied to the paper. It means in the oil there is a fatty substance. Oil is fatty substance. Fats in our body provides us energy. Yes, student, as we have learned, carbohydrates provides us energy, gives us energy. In the same way, fats also provide energy to our body. Okay, students, they give as much energy as carbohydrates. But students, we include in a smaller quantity these constituents in our diet. Do you know which are the sources of fats? From which foodstuffs do we get fats? Yes, student, do you know? If you know, you can type your answer in the comment box. Okay, students, let me tell you now. From where do we get fats? Cream, butter, ghee, oil. These are the examples of sources of fats. From all these things, we do get fats. Nuts, meat, egg yolk also contain fats. Students, the fats that we eat are stored in our body. For some time, if there is no food in your body can use the energy from this fat. Students, there is layer under our skin. Under our skin, there is a layer of fat. It gives shape to our body, as well as it works as a blanket and also prevents from loss of heat from our body. Students, can you tell me why are the boxes of fragile objects like TV, refrigerators, light bulbs, glasses, mirrors packed with corrugated cardboards, thermocol or bubble wrap? Yes, student, can you tell me why the things fragile articles? What do you mean by fragile articles, students? Fragile means the things which can be easily damaged. For example, TV, glass, refrigerator, it can be easily damaged. But when we get it from or when we bought it, we see that all these things are packed, rigidly packed with boxes, corrugated cardboards, thermocol or the bubble wrap. Okay, student, for example, let's see. This is a box. Okay, student, this is box. It is packed, completely packed. Okay, see, you can, I will open and show the object inside it. See, student, the object inside it is, okay, packed with the what? Bubble wrap. Okay, why? Because, or it should not be damaged. Okay, it should not be damaged. The fragile thing can be damaged. Okay, student. So here the such kind of things are packed with corrugated cardboard, thermocol or the bubble wrap. Okay, student, have you understood? Very good. The cardboard, thermocol and the bubble wrap protects the fragile articles. Even when the boxes shake, hit or fall down, the articles inside the boxes do not damage. Similarly, the layer of fat under the skin protects the internal organs of our body. Yes, student, the fats which is inside or under the skin protects us from any kind of damage. Okay, students? An injury from outside does not at once damage to our bones and other internal organs. Okay, students, have you understood about fats now? Very good. Students, till now we have studied about carbohydrates and fats. Students, actually this chapter is very lengthy, so I am dividing this chapter into two parts. Students, in the next video we are going to study about proteins, vitamins and minerals, as well as a balanced diet. With balanced diet we are going to study nourishment and malnutrition. Okay, students, if you want to learn more about it, be connect with me, and to be connect with me, subscribe my channel. Students, if you have liked this video, then like it, share it to your friends, comment below the video, and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any new notification. Thank you. Be connected.